In this video, we will learn how to make the Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin. In this very first column, we have a list of tasks available: planning, arrange equipment, build a team, develop software, testing, and acceptance. And in the second column, we have the start dates for all of these tasks. And in the third column, we have the end dates available for these tasks. Now, only thing we need here is the duration. We need the number of days for each task here. So what we will do here, we will click here, put equal sign here, then select this, put minus sign, and then click this start date and then press enter button. So here we have the number of days available for first task to be done, and to have the rest of the tasks we will drag this down, and the same formula will be applied for all of the other tasks, and the number of days will be calculated for the rest of the tasks. Now to make the Gantt chart, we will select this start dates and then select this insert, and here we have option for the charts. So click here on the charts, we will select here more option. When you click it, here we have option for the bar, and we need to select the second option, which is stacked bar, and after that click OK. And here we have the basic chart. We have to modify it, we have to define things, so let's expand it like this. And after that, just click here, right click here, and we need to select this select data option. And here we have to click on this add button, and here in this first window we need to select the duration, and here just delete whatever is written. And in the second window we need to select this duration, the number of days, and as you can see they are appeared here, and just simply click OK. And as you can see on the Gantt chart, the start and end days are available here as well. Now only thing missing is this left column. This should be a task here, so click on edit button, and in this window just select all of these tasks, and they are available here. As you can see, this order is wrong, by the way. Click OK and then press simply OK button. Sometimes this order is right and sometimes it's wrong. So here we have planning for the first and this is for the last, so we have to reverse this order. Just click here and select this format axis. This window will get appear, and here you need to simply drag it down and here select this option to just reverse the order. And as you can see, now the planning is on top and here planning is on top as well. So now this is the right order, and as you can see this is planning and the second is arrange equipment and the rest of the thing as well. Now only thing left is right click here, and in this fill just simply select no fill. That blue color will be eliminated, and as you can see it from here, we have only left with the orange color and the associated tasks along with the associated dates. So as you can see it from here, now this Gantt chart is completed along with the dates and duration as well. So that's how we create Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.